Marian Kessler, one stock that you're bullish on in the Becker Value Equity Fund is Alleghany Corp. This is an insurer and a reinsurer.
Right.
It's not widely covered on Wall Street. Why do you like it?
Well, it isn't widely followed. It's a name that really has not been covered very well. Although it's been around for 125 years, it's only had 5 CEOs in its full history, and is very conservatively run, very, very capital conscious, and has made some very savvy acquisitions over the last several years.
You're also a fan of Bed Bath & Beyond. This is a retailer, like a lot of the retailers, it's really gotten beaten up. It's down around 20% year to date. Why do you want to step in now? Is the worst over?
I think the worst is over. We had a very tough winter weather on the East Coast and Midwest particularly, which impacted same-store sale comps, which the company guided down, which took the stock down quite a bit in the quarter where we stepped in. Both Alleghany and Bed Bath & Beyond are relatively new names. And great balance sheet, $1 billion of free cash flow, very high return on invested capital, just a very well-run company in a very beaten-up space.
And then finally, here's a stock that hasn't been beaten up. In fact, it's been pushed up by rumors of a deal with AT&T, and that's DirecTV. Stock's up, I think, over 20% this year.
Yes.
Why do you want to stick with it? Why not just sell the rumor?
Well, I think the rumor, there's a lot to the rumor. And we bought DirecTV about a year ago, selling at about 11 times earnings, a low enterprise value to EBITDA, as investors were very concerned about cord cutting and other structural issues relative to Comcast and other competition in that space. The stock has done very well since. Subscriber growth has been good. Latin America is very attractive. AT&T clearly wants access to other markets and other geographic markets as well as product. So it's now selling at a higher multiple than it was when we bought it, about 13.5 times this year's earnings, but in this kind of market with these kind of valuations, still looks like a very good name. And I think the chances of it being taken out at $95 a share are excellent.
All right, thanks a lot, Marian.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Thank you for watching The Street.